Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to optimize Discord for gaming performance step by step so you can enjoy smooth gameplay and crystal clear chat in 2026. First, disable hardware acceleration, open Discord user settings, scroll to advanced, and toggle hardware acceleration off. This reduces unnecessary GPU usage, preventing frame drops during games. Restart Discord after making this change. Next, turn off unnecessary overlays. Go to Game Overlay Settings and disable the in-game overlay. While it's convenient, overlays can use extra CPU and memory, which may impact gaming performance. Now, adjust voice and video settings. Disable advanced audio processing features like echo cancellation, noise suppression, and automatic gain control if your PC struggles with CPU load. These features are helpful, but can slightly reduce performance in resource-heavy games. Another key step is limiting Discord background processes, close unused servers, channels, and voice calls when gaming. Also, make sure no other apps are consuming bandwidth or CPU unnecessarily. You should also set Discord to prioritize network performance. In voice and video settings, disable quality of service, high packet priority if you experience network lag. This prevents conflicts with your game's network traffic. Finally, update Discord and your graphics drivers regularly. Running the latest versions ensures compatibility and performance improvements. Test Discord while gaming to confirm everything runs smoothly. If this guide helped you optimize Discord for gaming, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more PC and gaming tutorials in 2026. Enjoy lag-free gaming and clear voice chat. Is your Discord mic